Climate change refers to the changes in the Earth's climate conditions. It's described as the changes in the atmosphere which have taken place over a period ranging from decades to millions of years. Climate change is caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, releasing greenhouse gases, trapping heat from the sun's rays, and causing global temperatures to rise. Climate change has been connected with other damaging weather events such as more frequent and more intense hurricanes, floods, downpours, and winter storms. Scientists have high confidence that the global temperature will continue to rise due to human activities, and the most vulnerable are those people who depend on the weather for their livelihoods. In the Philippines, the number of vulnerability is increasingly high due to the weather and sea level rise. So, how does the Filipinos prepare for the climate change in their personal lives and livelihood? And how does everyone manage in fixing this crisis?
Hi, I'm Ashton Estrada, currently 21 years old. I'm the manager ng karinderya na to. Here sa Pilipinas, alam naman natin na paulan-ulan, tapos bigla iinit. Ngayon, mas malala na ngayon kasi ang unpredictable na ng weather at nakakainis lang kasi nakaka-apekto lalo na dito sa tindahan. So, ito yung karinderya namin. Ito si Ate Dindin. She's the one that's serving at siya yung isa sa mga trabador ni Tito. Pero sa karinderya namin, ito yung mga ulam na meron here. Different na menudo, may giniling. Ito yung mga karne kasi. Sa ibabaw, dito yung mga gulay. Dito naman, here, makikita mo, ito yung dining area kung saan pwede kayo kumain. Dito yung kaha. Dito nung gamot yung cashier. Pero dahil wala na ako, hindi na ako nagkakaha dito, ano na lang siya, self-service na lang siya sa amin. Okay, so last part, ito naman yung kusina, kung saan dito sila pwede magluto and stuff. And yeah, yun na. Siguro, when it comes sa work sa karinderya, most of the time kasi, nakabase talaga yung benta if uulan or not. So if malakas yung ulan almost sa afternoon, tapos bigla-bigla iinit, tas uulan ulit, most likely, nawawalan kami ng benta, which is kinda hard in some ways or another. So I can say that climate change really does affect, lalo na yung business namin. Rain talaga. Almost everything involves the rain is very difficult sa akin, not just dahil sa benta or something, pero there's many things that happened before involving rain, which is both memorable and difficult. So yeah, I guess if there's a climate change weather na nakaka-apekto the most, it's rain talaga.
Ano yung pinakamadalas na inaubos na rin?
Hindi madalas nauubos. Halos lahat nauubos eh.
Parang pala talaga dito.
Matumal lang siya kung yung tag-ulan.
Ano na natin?
Nung nag-i-start pa lang tong business nyo, nahirapan ba kayo o ano? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, kasi nung nag-start kami, marami na agad talagang sikat kasi mga kainan before, and ngayon, medyo nakilala kami, marami na bumili, and yeah, okay lang. Hindi naman kami nahirapan masyado.
Sa kita naman, okay naman ba? O...
Yun lang. Sa kita kasi nakabase siya araw-araw if maganda or not. So, I guess, in some ways, balance sila. Hindi naman masyado grabe, hindi naman masyado mababa.
So, dito sa karinderya na to, ano yung mga bestseller nyo?
Giniling, para sa akin. Yung nakamasarap is yung giniling. Kasi, yun yung favorite ko din kaya I can say na masarap. Siguro this one time, nung hindi siya related here sa benta, pero one time, nung umalis ako back to school, nung umaga, tirik yung araw. direct yung araw talaga. And sabi ko, ay kampante ako nang hindi na uulan. Pagdating ko sa school, not only na bumagsak yung ulan, naiwan ako, na-stranded ako sa may 7-Eleven hanggang 10 ng gabi. Which is, wala akong choice kasi ulan ng ulan nun eh. And napilitan ako, sulungin na lang yung ulan, papuntang MCU. Nilakad ko lang yun habang umuulan siya. And pag uwi ko, boom! Bigla ako nagka-hypothermia. Dito, here in our shop, pag sakaling man umuulan, wala eh. Wala na kami magagawa talaga. Naghihintay na lang kami, minsan sinusunod yung pagkain, or wala, abang lang ng mga tao. Pero, aside from that, wala na talaga kasi pag wala naman tao, walang benta. And pag umuulan, natin umuulan talaga. Kaya, yun lang.
Ako nga pala si Eugenio Junicio, delivery rider ng Food Panda, age 23. Ayun, kapag sobrang init ng panahon tapos sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Kamusta naman yung kinikita mo dyan?
Ayun, kaya naman akong buhayin sa araw-araw. Working student ako eh. Kaya naman. Talagang malaki yung epekto sa akin ito. As a food delivery rider, talagang ang laki ng epekto sa akin yung tag-ulan kapag malakas yung ulan. Di ako makabiyahe kasi baha sa mga iba't ibang lugar. Minsan nade-delay yung delivery ko dahil doon. Ayun, pagdating sa pag mainit, ito sinusuot ko pag mainit. Then kapag kapag tag-ulan, sapat na yung kapote. Ang payo ko lang, pag may nakita kayong basura, ayun, damputin nyo, itapon nyo sa tamang basurahan, magtapon kayo ng mga basura nyo sa tamang, ayun. Yun, mag-adapt tayo dun sa climate change kasi sa ngayon, mahirap na yan eh. Kaya ang kailangan na lang natin mag-adapt tayo dun.
The environment, ecosystems, and human societies are all at serious risk as a result of the complex and urgent global challenge known as climate change. The overwhelming majority of experts agree that human actions, notably the burning of fossil fuels, deforestations, which emit greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, are to blame for the Earth's climate change. These gases trap heat, increasing global temperatures and having a number of negative effects. Rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events like storms and droughts, altered precipitation patterns, and the loss of biodiversity are all effects of climate change that are already being seen globally. In addition to protecting the environment for future generations, mitigating climate change also offers chances for innovation, green employment, and economic expansion. We can work toward a more resilient future where the effects of climate change are reduced and a healthy world is preserved for the well-being of all living things by embracing renewable energy, developing technology, and putting sustainable behaviors into place.
ka mauna.
$50 lang, gano'n.
50 pesos. Tama yung sabihin mo, tama yung sabihin mo. Baga, sabihin mo na, balik lang tayo sabihin. Balik lang tayo sabihin.